I'm Simon Oliver.
And I'm Matthew Tucker.
And we're AirView Engineering.
AirView Engineering is a direct-to-capture startup aiming to provide smaller, more cost-efficient carbon capture solutions with the sole goal of greatly increasing their use throughout the world.
The concept came from a master's year research project that myself and Matthew were a part of. And I think the drive for this is the climate crisis itself and being able to use our skills and use our knowledge to really develop something that can make a real impact.
Our CO2 capture technology is the product of 3 years' worth of cutting-edge innovation and development.
We're currently at the finance raising point in our business. We have Innovate UK grant applications pending. We're part of the Air Miners Accelerator community, and we're really looking to take AirView Engineering now to the next level. Our time at Swansea University, particularly studying mechanical engineering, really set us up for what we're doing now. I say that the course itself, the structure of the course, but not only that, the access to the resources and facilities is something that was really key to us, especially with the additive manufacturing and 3D printing aspects to our business. Without that, we wouldn't be where we are today. The enterprise team was our first port of call when we thought about starting AirView. We got in touch with them. They were more than helpful with giving us the sort of steps to set up AirView as an entity, but also really helped us with our first round of financing as well, which is so key to getting our patent filed and to really get AirView moving forward.
I think if you're going to be starting a business, you have to be open to resilience. It's definitely an uphill battle, but if you've got a good idea, there should be nothing stopping you from going forwards with it. In 5 years' time, I think we'd like to see us basically make a difference, is fundamentally where we want to take this.
You want to see ourselves being able to deploy these commercial facilities to a scale that can really impact the wider environment. We want AirView to be this driving force for climate change tech in this area.